I made this pumpkin pie recipe, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Curlyson91, and if this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. And today my hair is super dry. Like, it hasn't been washed for 3 weeks, and I just washed it, and it needs some moisture. And I know it's Thanksgiving season, and the two infamous pies around Thanksgiving season, it's sweet potato pie and pumpkin pie. And I have a confession to make. I've never had sweet potato or pumpkin pie. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense that they need to be in a pie. So I've never had it. And in the Caribbean, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving. So if you want to see my reaction to trying sweet potato pie and pumpkin pie for the first time, then stay till the end of the video. But I was like, since I don't like the idea of eating it, I thought it would be a good idea to put it in my hair. So I followed a pumpkin pie recipe, and today I will be putting it in my hair to get some moisture. So if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. So y'all, I made this pumpkin pie recipe, so look to the side. Is it in your hair though? Yeah. Okay. I love this. This is so going on my. This is so going on my. Oh my god. Ah. So in this recipe, I use 3/4 of a pumpkin. I also use one of my favorite moisturizers, Shea Butter, some honey, which is a great humectant, olive oil, castor oil, pumpkin seed oil, some canned pumpkin for extra thickness, some coconut milk, jojoba oil, vanilla essential oil, nutmeg oil, ginger essential oil, and cinnamon oil. So we're going to begin by chopping up and blending some steamed pumpkin with coconut milk. And if you want to see how I steam the pumpkin and chop them up, then I will link my video to my pumpkin spice latte deep conditioner above. So I'm not really using any measurements for this. All I'm doing is I'm adding pumpkin as I go along and adding along some coconut milk to make sure that I get a creamy paste at the end. And as I said, I used 3/4 of the pumpkin in this recipe because I wanted to make a large batch. So once I'm done making the paste, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of shea butter to a bowl. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey, I'm gonna mix the honey and the shea butter. And then I'm going to add 1 whole egg. Once I've added the egg, I will mix all 3 ingredients together until I get a somewhat homogeneous mixture. Once that's done, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and that is totally up to you. You do not need this cup of coconut milk. Then I'm going to add my pumpkin coconut milk mixture to the bowl. Once everything has been mixed, I will go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, half a teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil, and the next ingredient is completely optional. I'm adding it for extra slip, and if you don't have it, you can always just use any cheap conditioner, but I'm gonna add my flaxseed hibiscus mixture to the mix. Next, I will add a few drops of cinnamon essential oil, a few drops of nutmeg essential oil, some vanilla essential oil, and then some ginger essential oils. So once I've added all the rest of my ingredients, I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything really well. But I'm not quite a fan of the consistency, so I'm going to go ahead and add some canned pumpkin, and this is organic canned pumpkin that I got from Trader Joe's, I believe, and it's a great alternative if you don't want to use fresh pumpkins. And there you have it, my pumpkin pie deep conditioner. It smells so cinnamony and nutmeggy. It's so good. My hair, like, there's no way to describe it. I don't even know if, like, I don't know if you can see that, but like, my hair feels so moisturized, like, and I've taken all the product off my hair and it feels so good and moisturized. And I wish y'all could like really feel this. I mean, I don't even think the camera gives it justice for you to see how nice my curls feel. So seems like this one was a success. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Let's try this store-bought mini pumpkin pie thingy. It smells very cinnamony. It it's a no for me, sis. And that tastes good. Kisalok tisala.